Dude, I gotta toss this garbage keyboard. I recently got my hands on this hot mechanical keyboard that's been trending this year. These keycaps have a great texture and excellent keycap responsiveness. It even features a knob for controlling the volume. Let me test the quality of it real quick. It's awesome. I gave it some hardcore pounding, but it didn't get a scratch. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it even comes with a wrist rest and a mouse pad as a bonus when you purchase it. Don't blink. Let me show you its coolest feature. This perfect keyboard is right there in the bottom left corner of my video, so don't hesitate and choose it.